And again, yeah, those are the things, yes. Okay, it was self-corrected. So, okay, let's just play on.
It's details. Minor details. Kahit yan, pinagsiseminar yung mga ganun.
Oo naman. And kung may pressure sa mga players, mas malaking pressure doon sa mga officials natin.
Here's Cañete. Runs into Liwag. Adjust. Wala. But look at Chopper Hamito rising over Justin Baltasar for the 2 points.
Second putback already for Hamito. Hindi niya kailangan niya lang talagang mag-effort na kumuha ng offensive rebound.
Archie Concepcion with a quick response. 9 points for Archie. And we've been talking about off the air yung effort plays na nakikita natin dito from Bacoor. And that has been the difference. You know, there was a point in game 1 na sabi ni Coach actually talaga siya natutuwa sa effort na pinapakita ng team niya. But here come the Lanterns. Concepcion. And not getting the easy 2. Joel Liu, that's an effort right there. Making the opponent earn the 2 points at the line.
If you want to get that championship trophy, kasi yun yung glaring na yung message ng Bacoor, they need to earn it for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. It's not gonna be a walk in the park for them. Yes, they're down 0-2. Itong Pampanga up by 2-0 in this series. Pero ito yung Sedel ngayon, ramdam ko na yung beauty nitong format natin sa MPBL. It's the home court advantage really. Okay, right now we're jam pack here pero outside ang dami pa pong mga tao na hindi nakapasok.
Sabi nga ni Coach Alex if there's one thing he wanted to take away from game 2 was actually yung improvement ng effort ng team niya. As we bring you this free throw from Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Coach Louie, and yun nga, paangat yung effort. But hopefully, for Bacoor, it's not too late.
They are champions for a reason, Sedel. Siguro talagang nagulat lang sila doon sa game nila against Pampanga in that game 1. Tremendous improvement in game 2. Okay, right now, they're fighting toe-to-toe against this mighty Giant Lanterns.
2 made free throws para kay Archie Concepcion that brings Pampanga closer, 55-53. Liu, binabatay ni Serrano. Here's Evando Davice. Cañete has it. Fakes the handoff. Michael spins. No. Liwag collects the rebound for Pampanga.
Nandun na yung kumpiyansa
Here's Enzo Serrano. There's a double team. Liwag. The kick out to Archie Concepcion.
Then the shot clock. Quick double for Baltasar.
Tapos sa tira ni Allen Liwag.
You're gonna like the effort of these two guys. Kaya si Ivan Ludovice at ito si Joel Liu.
Wala na silang pakialam Ayaw nilang libre yung player ng Pampanga. Even lalo na pag may bola na.
Hindi biro yung layo ng rotation na pinanggalingan nila sa Delm.
Iniwan nga niya si Enzo Serrano, bahala ka dyan. Takbo kami sa loob. John Herman is back in the game. Serrano fires. Wala. Nermal fresh off the bench gets the rebound. Liu.
Good pass.
Nice pass to Hamito once again. Jammer with 6 points in the game, and then Bacoor is up by 4.
And again, sa akin, yung hindi yung performance right now ni Hamito tsaka ni Cañete, yung alam nilang kailangan sila sa Del.
That's true. Garcia, high arcing 3.
Yeah, that's big. That's big.
6 points for MJ Garcia. Had one of those high arcing 3s as well in game 2. Ludovice, Hamito, jumper, not get the bounce. Garcia gives it up to Enzo Serrano. Serrano. That's a foul.
Encho Serrano. Again, okay, we're talking about this, Adel. Who's gonna be Gov's lucky pick right now? Game 1, it was Kurt Rayson. Game 2, it was Archie Concepcion. And now, I think, for tonight, it's this guy. Natitira ng free throw line, ng free throw. Si Encho Serrano.
He's been on attack mode tonight. 14 points for Encho Serrano, and he ties the game. Pampanga has taken the lead here. They were down by 5 to start the 4th. Jean Normal.
Oo, itong bumalik na yung tatlo. Si Ludovice, Heruta, and itong si James Quequete.
Cañete looking for a way through. Labas kay Quequete, three-pointer. That's good. What a treat. What a treat. 60 to 58. Garcia.
That's it.
Fires. Yes! That shot heard all the way to San Fernando, Pampanga.
Oo, alam ko lang kasi sa Delphi yung 2-second layup eh. May 3-second 3-pointer din pala.
Oo. Pero ang hirap pa rin kasi dito sa likod ng gagaling eh.
Layo talaga.
Quequete, that's a backcourt violation. And these young guns of Pampanga responding here in the 4th quarter in a big way. James Quequete knocking down the 3, nothing but net. And how about MJ Garcia? Pangalawang tres na yan here in the 4th quarter.
And you know, this guy, MJ Garcia, yung impact na binibigay niya every time na ini-insert siya ni Coach Gov Delta talaga.
On both ends of the floor.
Oo, not just in this game. Alam mo yung ang daming laro.
Before getting the stop against Encho Serrano. Down by 1 ang strikers. Normal makes his move, spins. John Normal!
Great move. And again, with yung energy right now ni John Normal at ni James Quequete, credit that dun sa bago yung binigyan sila ng pahinga nila nung grupo nila Ivan Ludovice at Joel Liu.
Mintis ang tres ni Encho Serrano, nakuha ni MJ Garcia ang offensive rebound. Here's Encho, down the middle. Encho! Oh, he can score in a variety of ways. Encho Serrano, meron siyang dire-diretso na atake. Meron ding minsan, binabagalan niya.
Oo, and you know, ang pinakamaganda sa larong ito sa Del, hindi niya pinipilit.
Oh! Wow!
James Quequete. Again, you cannot just be good. You need to be great in this game, Sadel.
That's true. Concepcion down the middle. That's a foul. And it will go against Mark Yee. And look at Encho Serrano. That was lovely. Yung control niya sa sarili niya doon.
Oo, Pinoy step pa.
And how about this one? Quequete gets Concepcion in the air and knocks down the big three.
Oo, and talking about concentration in that finish.
65 to 63. Ceasefire muna tayo. Magbabalik kami for Game 3.
Archie Concepcion bounces to Balti. That's the first Balti slam in the semifinals. Going to MJ. Garcia will fly. Up, up, and away.
Sa lahat ng aking mga kababayan, mga kabalin, inimbitahan ko po kayo na patuloy na suportahan ang inyong Pampanga Giant Lanterns sa kanilang paglaban sa North Division Finals dito sa 2023 Imperial Playoffs. Salamat po sa patuloy na pagtangkilik sa MPBL, ang liga ng bawat Pilipino. Maraming salamat.
As MJ drives, there's the kick out. Santos for 3. Yes, sir.
And center, Manny Pacquiao, our FPBL founder, wife Jinky and Israel is here. They're all here.
Oo. And thank you, boss, for this treat. Alam mo yun, sa Delphi waited for this moment.
Coach Elvis Tolentino and Kyle also in the building. Minsan this is one of those games na ayaw mong matapos.
Exactly. And for the players as well na they worked hard for this. Ilang buwan yan sa Delphi. Hindi biro na mapunta ka at this stage of the tournament playing for the national finals.
A.G. Gonzalez for team manager and owner of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, along with Congressman Don Gonzalez is also in the building. And Archie Concepcion at the line for 2 free throws. Chance to tie the game. We're halfway through this fourth quarter. That's Kong Dong right there. Archie Concepcion with another stellar effort here in Game 3. 11 points. Perfect 5 of 5 at the line.
Oh, and it's really a great matchup. And especially Archie Concepcion now stepping up itong fourth quarter sa Delphi.
Yeah. For more on Bacoor, let's go to Sydney Crespo.
Alam niyo, sa Delphi Coach Louie, sinabi ni John Nermal sa akin na nahirapan siyang makahawak ng bola nung Game 2 na tuluyang nakaapekto sa kumpiyansa niya nung gabing yun. Pero bilang natural hustler, hindi papayag si John na hanggang dun lang siya sa series na ito. Kwento niya sa akin, nandito na siya kaninang 10 a.m. pa sa Strike Gymnasium para mag-shooting mag-isa. Kailangan daw niyang pantayan ng energy ng mga Bacooreño. Hustle at depensa, yan ang normal para kay John. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Sydney, on that. Nice report on John Nermal, and here he is. Look at this. Was not able to finish, John Nermal.
Oh, that's a poor shot by Marquis.
Good stop here by Pampanga. Garcia, that's an air ball. Concepcion, out to Baltasar.
Great
Drop pass to Liwag, in and out. Justin Baltasar. Got that one to go, 67 to 65.
Again, control the boards. That's what Justin Baltasar just did.
Marquis went on a fishing expedition and nakakuha siya.
Experience move na talaga.
Justin Baltasar. And that's rebound number 17 for Justin Baltasar, already with 7 points in the ball game. And Marquis at the line.
Yeah, crucial free throws for Marquis.
That's off to the left for Marquis. Boss Dennis Abella. Bacoor.
Yeah, gave up scoring already and instead focus on the other things. I like his leadership. Alam mo yun, yung nagtitimon sa depensa si Mark eh.
Yeah, he's the anchor of that defense.
Oo.
And siya rin ang nag-communicate eh. Siya nagde-direct.
Exactly.
Baltasar on the double team. Serrano to Concepcion for 3. Yes! Four-point lead for Pampanga with under 4 minutes remaining.
And that's big.
And Bacoor respond. Nermal. 8 on the shot clock. John Nermal for 3. Yes! John Nermal, 20 points in the ball game. 69 to 70. Serrano with a spin. Oh my goodness! Echo Serrano.
Again, Sadel, this is the series that we're expecting. Okay, right here in front of us, this game 3. This is championship at its best.
What a showcase this has been. Nermal against Garcia.
Good pass.
What a pass. Egilos is blocked and the foul whistled on Justin Baltasar.
And again, okay, credit again that setup from John Nermal. Attracting the defense, giving that dish to Jamo Eguilos down low. Got fouled by Justin Baltasar.
And Jamo Eguilos and that seemed like a fatigue setting in on that free throw.
Both of them, and you cannot, though it's gonna be split, pero as much as possible, these are the crucial ones, Edel.
1 for 2 for Jamo.
Yeah, split by Eguilos, split also by Marquis before that possession.
Two-point lead for Pampanga. Encho Serrano. MJ Garcia drives. No good. Air ball. Baltasar with 3 seconds in the shot clock. Balti on the turnaround shot. Lead is back up to 4. 10 points para kay Justin Baltasar.
Yeah, big time basket for a big time player.
John Nermal again. Nermal with a 3. Wala. Ang tapik.
Yeah,
That
clearly
is off
striker's
Archie
ball.
Concepcion. Two minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Fresh 14 for Bacoor. 4 ang lamang ng Pampanga. Ludovice gets into the paint. Eguilos too strong. And Pampanga gets the stop.
And the defensive tenacity of this Giant Lanterns, not quitting. Okay, whatever happens, okay, star player playing, struggling offensively, pero hindi sila nag-quit eh.
Justin Baltasar makes it a 6-point lead. Back-to-back baskets for the reigning MVP. Here's the fadeaway from Justin Baltasar.
And who would have thought that ang layo pa ni Justin in terms of scoring, pero right now, at this moment of the game, yung impact niya sa laro, okay, naramdaman na natin. That's why he was named the most valuable player.
May timeout muna tayo. 76-70, lamang ang Pampanga. Minute and 35 remaining in Game 3.
Kailangan natin i-stop after.
Representing our Suzuki muscular and sporty fan of the game, just like the Avenis, do more and achieve more with a muscular and sporty scooter from Suzuki. The Avenis, oras na para magmotor. It's been a great Game 3, but for the fans of Bacoor, medyo anxious sila dito because their team is down by 6 with a minute and 35 remaining in Game 3. And Coach Louie, yung pinag-uusapan niya natin, itong team ng Pampanga, they just wear you down. Nakakapagod kalabanin.
Yeah, true, Sedel. And that's one thing that they're gonna appreciate with the trust being given by Coach Go of Delta. Putting fresh legs inside, maximizing na he knows na bata yung team niya eh. And they can do it hanggang sa huling minuto.
Here's Nermal. Finds Ludovice. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Ivan for 3. That's off. Minute and 20 remaining. Aaron Hiruta will report to the scorer's table. And he's back in the game for Ivan Ludovice. Bacoor needs a stop.
And you know that they're gonna use that clock. The same 5 almost kaya na tumapos nung game 2 sa Delp.
Serrano, layup, short. Rebound, Jammer Hamito. Gets it to Marquis. Slips. Baltasar with a steal. Serrano is open. Encho for 2.
Okay. What a time to get yung biggest lead mo sa larong ito at 8.
78-70. Pampanga can smell it. The fans making the trip to Bacoor. Very unfortunate here for Marquis.
Oo. And again, sa Delp, isa-second mo, i-repeat ko lang yung sinabi mo. They're gonna wear you down. And right now, makikita mo na sa itsura, sa actions nito ni Marquis and kanina ni Jaymo Egulos that the fatigue is sinking in already.
Coach Alex Angeles and the Bacoor City Strikers, they're hoping and praying that they can turn things around. They do have 48 seconds. A lot of things can happen in 48 seconds.
Pero ang mahirap dito sa Delp, Pampanga still has 2 more fouls to give.
Congressman Don Gonzales taking it all in.
Oo.
And why not?
Again, one of our pioneers here in the MPBL. Every year they're trying to be competitive, and I think right now, in front of us right now will be the 47 seconds left, maybe the first championship for the province of Pampanga.
That's a foul on Encho Serrano. Just the 3rd team foul. Quecate fires the 3. Yes! Deficit is down to 5.
Oh, and you know what's good there? It didn't take them too long. Okay, 8 seconds to convert one. Still possible, Sedal.
Just a 2-possession game. Pampanga
on the first pass, double again.
Up by 5. Let's listen in to Coach Alex.
Ikaw like this. Dapat hindi ka ha. Okay. Kaya hindi ka mapunta. Okay. Kung may pumunta man dito, kapatid, ikaw yan. Okay. Then, pag pinado dito, ikaw double. Pag pinado dito, ikaw double. Hindi kayo yung pinakamalayo. Pero pag pinado dito, okay, kapatid. Ikaw na yan. Saan ito? Si Jake.
Pag dalawa tao dito, Coach, hindi ko akyatan yun.
May tao.
So, one thing here sa Delp is where will itong Pampanga take the ball out?
Oo.
So crucial kasi if they decide na ilabas yan doon sa front court, that's gonna be 14 seconds lang.
That's a tough 3-pointer to make for James Quecate. He's had a lot of that here in this series. Here we go. 40.6 seconds remaining. Pampanga will have possession.
Yeah, they're taking it out backward, so that makes it 2 possession ball games, Adel.
Oo. Encho Serrano to inbound. Bacoor has no more timeouts. Oh, he stepped on the line. MJ Garcia. So Bacoor gets the stop here.
Oo.
It's a lifeline, but they have to make the most out of this.
Oo, and they need to do it there. Kasi itong Bacoor strikers, wala nang timeout.
And Bacoor convert. They go to Quecote. James, wala. I thought that was a bit early there, Coach Louie. Serrano in trouble. Gets it to Concepcion for the layup.
That's icing in the cake.
I think that's it.
Well, okay, talking about Archie Concepcion in this fourth quarter.
Yee inside. Gets the 2 points. It could be too little, too late. $80-75. Pampanga on the verge of clinching their first national championship. Take a look at this one. James Quecote with a difficult three-pointer. That did not work. Encho Serrano able to find Archie Concepcion. And just the presence of mind and yung physical ability that this late of the ball game, tumakbo pa doon, get a transition basket kahit anong pagod nila sa larong to.
And you know that especially with Archie Sedelf, playing with that purpose. Okay, he knows that it's been a struggle for him all throughout, pero his performance in that game 2 and now nadala niya pa hanggang dito sa game 3. This organization will respect and cherish him.
.7 seconds remaining.
It's gonna be a quick foul. Expect a quick foul.
Encho Serrano finds Garcia. Have to give up the foul here.
Yeah. So let's see if Coach Gov Delta will play offense, defense here. Kasi madalas pag ganito, aalagaan mo na eh. Pero sa babalikan ko uli yung habang nagkasalita ka kanina at the start of the game when Bossman is holding that trophy. I think it still stays. Wala pang team na nanalo in their home turf.
Oo. Yun nga eh. Ganun talaga dito sa MPB. 2 for 2 for Encho. And it's all over. Right here, foul by Rayson on Aaron Heruta.
Ayaw pa rin. Gusto bang patagalin ng konti ni Kurt Rayson eh. Winning this one, Paskong Pasko sa Pampanga Sedel.
Oh my goodness, yes. 82-75. Joel Liu makes the basket, but it's the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Well deserved, Sedel. Well deserved.
The 2023 MPBL National Champions. A dominant season ends with a championship for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. A sensational season. 28 wins in the regular season, 9 wins in the playoffs, 9-0 in the playoffs.
And you know, so that this is a repeat of what they did. Okay, there was a big yung semifinals nung finals ng Northern Division. San Juan, there's a big challenge. They rise to that. And today, against this Bacoor, in Bacoor's gym, they rise to the challenge again. Congratulations, Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Sensational effort from the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, and despair for John Normal and the Bacoor City Strikers. He gave it everything he had in Game 3, and it just fell to a much superior team in the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. And what an end to our season. Yung Game 3 natin was really, you know, it may end up as a sweep, no? A 3-0 sweep. But these last two games, especially itong Game 3, wow, what a classic and what a showcase of what the MPBL is all about.
Totoo yan. And you know, these are the things na siguro right now with the organization, yung babalikan mo yung performance mo ng Game 1, because it could have been different sa Delph if they perform well in that Game 1, knowing na ganun yung format. It's a 2-2-1 format. So you need to steal one there. You cannot afford na matalo kayo ng walang laban.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, Pampanga had a mission tonight. They wanted to bring home that trophy early back to Pampanga. And Encho Serrano making sure na mangyayari yan.
Yeah, he was so relaxed, you know. You know, kasi minsan makikita mo na kinakausap siya lagi ni Coach Gov Delta kasi masyado siya agresibo sa lahat ng bagay. Especially, pero today, he played relaxed. You can see his concentration.
And he was under control. Buong game natin na nakikita, ito si Encho Serrano. Not too high, not too low. And yun nga ang resulta. A terrific performance to cap off a dominant season for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Let's go to Mika Bisacos.
Encho, sa dami ng injuries, off games, sabi mo sa akin minsan nagkakainisan na kayo ng teammates nyo. Eto na, nagbigay ka ng isang championship at bukod doon, sweep pa.
Ayun nga, sobrang sayo ko kasi before game kanina nagdasal talaga ako. Kasi alam naman natin, first game namin, second game namin, wala akong natulong sa team namin. Kaya, ayun, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan akong mag-double effort ngayon kasi hindi madali kasi yung court ng kalaban. Ayun, basta gusto ko lang na yun, makabigay ako ng tulong sa team namin kasi yun nga, sobrang pangit ng nilaro ko nung mga pass. Ngayon, na-overcome ko naman and yun, nakuha namin yung champion.
Encho, nakita ko kanina, pinagdikit nyo ni Balti yung noo nyo. Anong sinabi mo sa kanya?
Sabi ko sa kanya, champion na tayo, tol. Lahat ng hirap natin na pinagdaanan natin dito, natapos natin na maayos. Napa-champion natin yung mga Kapampangan at yung boss namin.
Encho, anong gusto mo sabihin kay Governor Delta Pineda at sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa'yo?
Siyempre, unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Sa lahat ng Kapampangan, para kay Kayuya po yung Pialong ngayon eh. And sa amin, sa boss namin, kay Gob, kay Kong, kay Boss CG, maraming salamat sa inyo, boss. Kundi dahil sa inyo, wala kami dito ngayon. Yun.
Maraming salamat.
And binabati ko yung family ko. Sorry, wala ako sa birthday ko, sa mama ko, para sa iyo to. And sa lolo ko, Tito Joseph, happy birthday. Ngayon yung birthday niya. And sa girlfriend ko, kay Zea. And sa kila Kyle, kay Bianca. Tapos yung mga kapatid ko, yung mga pinsan, family Serrano and Caralde. And yung mga Palit boys, sa Santo Niño boys, yun lang.
Napakagandang birthday gift. Happy, happy birthday, Encho Serrano, sa Delph Coach Louie.
Congratulations, Encho Serrano. He is our best player of the game in this title-clinching victory of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. And I think we're going to be preparing the stage, center court, for our awarding ceremonies. And we'll get more of the players from the champion team. Let's go to Sydney Crespo, who's with Archie Concepcion.
Yes mga kaliga, kasama ko nga syempre ang isa sa mga homegrown ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns, Archie Concepcion. Archie, buong season, paulit-ulit mong sinasabi na bago matapos ang taon na to, ibibigay mo muna yung championship kay Governor Delta Pineda. Pagkatapos ito, kung naman mangyari, bahala na. Ngayon, you made history. You are an MPBL national champion.
Grabe po, sobrang blessed ko po na nakuha po namin yung championship. Grabe po yung tiwala ng mga management po, yung management, mga teammates ko, coaches, lahat ng Kapampangan community, grabe po yung tiwala na binibigay nila sa amin. Para sa inyo po to.
Archie, balikan lang muna natin saglit. Itong game na ito, no? Hindi rin ito pinadali ng Bacoor para sa inyo. They have their own adjustments, firepower, at gustong-gusto rin nila itong kunin. Nandun ka hanggang dulo, ano ang nangibabaw para sa inyo?
Ay, yung tiwala po namin sa isa't isa. Yung composure po namin nandun pa rin po. Hindi po kami bumitaw. Gustong-gusto po namin manalo para sa mga kabalan po namin. And especially kay Congressman Don Gonzales, kay Gov Delta Dennis Pineda po. Maraming salamat po.
Archie, matagal ko na itong gustong tanungin sa'yo, no? Maganda ang naging career mo dito sa Pampanga, pero dumating si Encho Serrano, dumating si Balti Baltazar, hindi ka naging selfish. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa mga teammates mo?
Yun nga po yung sinasabi ni Gob. Yung lanterns po, pag may nawala na isa, hindi magandang tignan. Kaya nagsama-sama lang po kami. Yung tiwala namin sa isa't isa dapat nandun po.
Archie, I'm sure marami kang gustong pasalamatan. Sino ito?
Unang-una po, pinapasalamatan ko po ang Ama. Binigyan niya po kami ng lakas para makuha to. And pinasasalamatan ko po si Coach Gob, si Coach Pedic, mga coaching staff, management, mga boss, especially yung family ko, asawa ko, anak ko, mama ko, mga kapatid ko, tita, tito, Concepcion family, Dugot family, and ang Kapampangan community, and yung binend ko.
Mula sa mga liga ng Pampanga ngayon, MPBL National Champion. Congratulations sa'yo, Archie. Andrea, sinong kasama mo?
Yes, Ed, kasama ko naman ngayon si Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, our winning coach. First of all, congratulations, Coach Gov. Coach Gov, this is the first time in MPBL history na nagkaroon ng sweep sa National Finals. It's under your coaching with the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Ano po ang napatunayan ninyo at ng inyong team ngayong gabi?
So first, napatunayan ho namin na talaga yung mga players ng Kapampangan talaga malakas. Sabi ko nga, yung pagpunta ho namin dito, it's against all odds. Pero sinabi ko sa mga bata because sa dasal na baon natin ng mga Kapampangan, dumigit lang tayo ng fourth quarter, atin na to.
Coach, paulit-ulit kitang narinig, sinasabi mo sa mga players mo, walang bibitaw, and that is exactly what they did. Ano na naman ang masasabi mo ngayon sa mga players mo?
Nagpapasalamat ako dahil sa puso na pinakita ng mga players. Sabi ko nga, from the beginning, we are lanterns. Hindi po pwedeng merong bumbilya na pundido. Kailangan tayo lahat sumindi para mapakita natin ang ganda ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Very well said, Coach Gov. Ngayon naman po, Coach, meron ka po bang gustong sabihin sa mga Kapampangan na sumuporta sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns?
First, sa lahat po ng prayer warriors namin, sa lahat po ng Kapampangan, maraming salamat sa mga dasal po ninyo. Sa lahat ng Kapampangan na nandito po ngayon, even the mayors, maraming salamat po. Huwag ho kayo magsasawa na sumuporta sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Ito pong championship na to, inaalay po namin para sa mga Kapampangan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much po. Once again, that is our winning coach, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Back to you sa Delta Coach Louie.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. What a season this has been, Coach Louie. And big congratulations again sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns. And special pa sila. May special guest pa sila sa awarding, ha?
Oo naman.
Our league founder, MPBL league chairman and founder, Senator Manny Pacquiao, in the building for the awarding. And for now, meanwhile, let's go to Mika Abisamis, who is with Justin Baltazar.
Balti, walang ginawa lahat ng teams dito sa season na to kundi bantayan ka, depensahan ka. Alam kong masakit sa katawan, pero ito, sulit na lahat.
Ayun nga, lahat naman pinagpaguran ko, ito, binuhos ko na lahat. Kahit masama yung pakiramdam ko, nakita nyo naman, yung nilaro ko ng first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, pero di pa rin kayo bumitaw. Yung fourth quarter, talagang binigay ko talaga yung best ko.
Balti, tinanong ko kay Encho to kanina, nakita ko nagdikit yung noo nyo. Anong binulong mo kay Encho?
Ayun, nagpapasalamat kami sa isa't isa kasi pagod din siya eh. Every game talaga nag-uusap kami, kahit pagod. Talagang para sa mga Kapampangan itong ginagawa namin.
Anong gusto mo sabihin kay Governor Delta Pineda at syempre sa pamilya mo na sumusuporta sa'yo?
Ayun, kay Dennis Delta Pineda, binigay ko lang yung gusto niya, yung champion. Lahat ng pinagpaguran namin, ito, nagbunga.
At sa pamilya mo, Balti?
Yun na, nagpapasalamat ako sa Serrano family, sa asawa ko, kay Chicks Serrano, and sa anak ko, kay Zeus, and mga taga Mabalacat, MCG, kay Mayor Garbo, and kay Mayor Titangco na taga Palit, mga taga Santo Niño, and then sa biyanan ko, si Edward Serrano, and kay Mami Jean.
Maraming salamat, our most valuable player, Justin Balti Baltazar. Sa Delta, Coach Louie.